hymn of war, heavy steps on a fractured floor. No surrender, no retreat, this is where our hearts will meet. The moon's a broken bottle in the sky. Shards of light cut the dark, make it cry. Boot heels scuff in the gravel road alone somehow. Where does it go? Whiskey and wild nights burning so bright, tangled in trouble, chasing the fight. Whiskey and wild nights never feel right, but who needs right when wrong's so alive? The jukebox screams in a smoky haze.
shadow sleeps on the mountain's face. It whispers secrets in the cold, dark space. The wind hums low, the trees all bow. Who knew silence could scream so loud? Shadow of the mountain, where do you go? Do you follow the river or bury the snow? Do you linger at dawn? Do you vanish at noon? Or dance with the wolves beneath the pale moon? Footsteps fade in the mossy ground, lost in the echoes where none are found. The rocks hold stories carved by the rain. Every tear of the earth, every ounce of pain. Is it the shadow, or is it me, chasing ghosts I can't even see? Shadow of the mountain, where do you go? Do you follow the river or bury the snow? At noon, or dance with the wolves beneath the pale moon? My hand fell through like a lie that was sweeter than it could be true. It pulled me deeper into the night, where dreams are darker than any light.
Wheel a match under the midnight dome, fingers trembling, hearts made of chrome. The stars shivered, the air stood still. We whispered to the dark, bend it to our will. Ashes fall, shadows cry. We ignite, no goodbye. We burn the sky, we light the night, turn the heavens into fire, oh so bright. No return, no reason why. We burn the sky. We burn the The moon was watching, eyes full of dread, as smoke and dreams danced overhead. Every spark a story, every flame a scream. We tore apart the night, unzipped the seams. Cinders rise like phoenix wings, breaking silence. The chaos sings. One last breath, one last high, before we burn the sky. We burn the sky, we light the night, turn the heavens into fire, oh so bright. No return, no reason why. We burn the sky. We burn the flowing deep through the canyon's throat, a silver thread where legends flow, whispers of time carved in stone. A river speaks, but it's never alone. River of the gods, carry me far, past the moonlight, past the stars.
like a whisper turned to a scream. The sky wears ashes like a crown. Nothing is what it seems. Smoke on the horizon. The world's on fire, but I'm still trying to breathe, to run, to find the truth. Smoke on the horizon. Where are you? Shadows stretch and crawl, longer than my time. The trees are silent witnesses, while the stars burn out. The air is heavy, heart is light. Is this the end or just the night? Smoke on the horizon. The world's on fire, but I'm still trying to breathe, to run, to find the truth. Smoke on the horizon. Where are you? Is it a warning? Is it a sign? Is it the end of the line? Or just a spark we failed to see? The ashes of you and me.
A silver sky where shadows gleam. I'm chasing stars in a restless stream. Fingers grasp but they slip through. What's real? What's me? What's true? Crown of dreams, it's shining bright. Lost in the dark, but I'll find the light. Crown of dreams, it's all I see. 1,000 paths. Which one's for me? The ground it shakes, the air stands still. Climbing mountains against my will. Every step a whispered prayer. Is the crown waiting there? The world's a maze of broken seams, but I'm holding on to my crown of dreams. Crown of dreams, it's shining bright. Lost in the dark, but I'll find the light. Crown of dreams, it's all I see. 1,000 paths. Which one's for me? Golden whispers call my name. A spark, a flame, a burning game. Every fall just feeds my fire. Every loss builds me higher. Golden whispers call my A rose in the ash, it blooms in the night. The thorns are sharp, but the petals ignite. Whispers of danger, they kiss like a blade.